can go to the upper level. Okay, then we'll go to dashboarding. Dashboarding is actually creating the personalized dashboards, and then we'll just see a sample dashboard in Cognos Business Insight. So what dashboarding does is it gives you a holistic view of your most critical parameters in business. Then it can help the business users to actually personalize the enterprise content, and the way they take business decisions, that way they can personalize the contents and see that information that they want to look at and take business decisions accordingly. Can actually create dashboards to by simple drag and drop. You can reuse the contents of the reports that you have already created. You can apply dynamic filters, and you can also analyze the contents and share it with other business users. That is dashboarding. That is what dashboarding is all about. The next thing, the dashboard in Cognos 10 BI suite is Business Insight, which is actually another web-based tool in which you can use Cognos content which is already there. I mean, the reports that has already been created, or maybe external data sources. By external data sources, it can be Excel files from which you can get data, and then you can create your dashboards using these two sets of data. You can use your suppose there is report A which has a particular list report, a list and a cross tab. In report B you have a chart and a list, but you want to pick the cross tab from report A and the chart from report B and create your personalized dashboard. That is possible. You just need to select that particular report. Inside that you will find that chart. Just drag and drop that chart and drag and drop that cross tab, and you get your report created in a flash. Okay. So dynamic filters are available in which you can address it, like you focus on the key areas that you have. You are already reusing the contents, basically the reports that you have created. You are using them for your dashboards. You're actually using those report objects. And the most important thing is you are doing it with a very less effort. You are just dragging and dropping those elements to create a dashboard. And then there is a search assisted offering, which means is there is a search tab where you can put in, suppose you need to put in finance, so that all your finance reports come in, and then you can choose the elements from those reports. That is also possible. So this is the search tab I was talking about, and this is a sample dashboard. You can see these are multiple report objects. These charts have been fetched from multiple reports, different reports, and the filters that you can see is this is a year filter where it's showing from 2004 to 2007, but if you just pull this filter to 2005, it will show from 2005 to 2007. So dynamically it will change, it will auto update the charts. And here is another filter where you can just uncheck these items if you don't want to see the values for these.